Now we're going to use the angle addition postulate to find the expression of an angle. Now this can be trickier than you think it's going to be because, for example, let's say I'm trying to look for this angle right here. I can see the whole angle and I can see this part of the angle, but I'm missing this. And the question is asking you to write an expression for an angle when you don't have enough information to find a value. I'm not able to set up an equation with only x's, but I am still going to set up an equation. So what am I going to put for this angle right here, this part? Well, since I don't have a value or a variable for it, I'm actually going to use the name SRT. And then I'm going to solve for that angle. I'm not going to be worried about the x's and the 4's and 5's. Those are going to be part of the answer. So my answer will have some combination of x's and numbers, which would be an expression. So let's take a look at the example. Here, I'm looking for the expression for that angle. And I know that this angle is x minus 5, and the whole angle is 2x plus 4. So I'm going to say this yellow plus the green is the purple. The yellow, see how I put the name in there? Then plus the other part equals the whole. Now I'm going to go ahead, and normally I would say, ooh, which side has more x's and everything? But really, when you're doing solving for an expression for an angle, this is really what you're solving for, the measure of angle SRT. So I'm going to take I want both of these on the away from there. How do I undo adding x? I subtract x. So I have measure of angle SRT minus 5 now equals x plus 4, because 2x minus x is x. I also don't want the minus 5 there. So how do I undo subtracting 5? I add 5. And now I have the measure of angle SRT equals x plus 9, which is your answer. But I'm going to be a stickler. I'm going to say this is still an equation because there's an equal sign. If I ask you for an expression, technically it should be like that, without an equal sign, just a combination of x's, numbers, or whatever variables you're using. So there is your expression. So what is the difference between an expression and the equation? It's a really simple thing.